What's up? What's new? Welcome back to my channel. It is early in the morning, well, it's not really that early. It's about 10 to 8 o'clock and I have been up for a couple hours laying in bed with congestion. Thanks, baby. Today is my 39-week update. Yeah, I'm 39 weeks. Actually, I'm 39 weeks into 2 days, so oh god. Other than the no sleep, I feel pretty decent, which I'm not gonna complain about considering how far along I am. I have been getting Braxton Hicks, I think. At least I think that they are. Since Saturday. It's been like on and off, because they were 10 minutes apart and it was only like 20 seconds, I think it was, of cramping, and it would go away and then eventually it just stopped throughout the day. Stopped throughout the day? No, they just stopped. Yeah. And then yesterday I was making a video and they were happening again, so I thought, oh no, here we go again, or maybe this is actually it, because they were a little bit stronger, but they didn't last. So today I have another doctor's appointment. I don't know what they're gonna do. They didn't really tell me much after my last one. My last appointment at my 38 weeks that I posted, I thought that I was gonna get swept, but I wasn't dilated enough, so I was totally fine with that. Where this time I think if I have the option to being swept, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I'm just getting really eager and excited to see baby. So yeah, I'm going to go take my lovely puppy out. He's not gonna last very long because it is minus 32 degrees outside Celsius. Then I'm gonna have a shower, get ready, and head out to my appointment. I already got my car started. My appointment's at 9:40, but because it is so freaking cold here, yeah, it's gonna take a while to warm up. I find that with it being such a cold climate, especially when it's really dry here, and I have no block heater in my SUV, so I'm gonna let her run for a good like half hour. Anyways, that is pretty much it. Yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. See you in a bit. There is nothing exciting about this breakfast. I don't even usually eat breakfast before my appointments, so I don't know why out of all days I am doing it today. But it's pretty much just really basic. It's oatmeal with like maple brown sugar packages. I got a banana with some peanut butter and then a glass of milk, which has been my biggest craving the last couple weeks. This is gonna sound really gross, but when I have a really bad hangover, milk is my cure. Sounds really gross, but honestly, a nice cold glass of milk the next morning, the best. My walk with Dante literally lasted like 10 seconds. It's way too cold for him. Doesn't like it on his cold paws, and with Yorkies, they're hair dog, not like fur, and they get cold really quick. So now he's whining because he wants my breakfast. But no, this is mine. You already had yours. So I'm just going to eat my breakfast and then I will eventually get ready for my appointment. My appointment is at 9:40 today. I know that for a fact. And it is currently 8:25. So I have lots of time to just lounge around and do nothing. I wish I could go back to bed. Today's definitely going to probably be a nap day. Definitely. Anyways. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So I didn't make it through breakfast all the way. Finished all my oatmeal, but I didn't finish my banana because I started getting pain right here. Kind of felt like heartburn, but not entirely, but it didn't feel like cramps like I have been getting in the last couple days. They're a little painful at the moment. Today is definitely one of those days where you just want to wear your boyfriend's clothes. Well, just a sweater and pants are mine, but yeah, no, baggy clothes today. I really don't care. I'm not going to be doing very much. It is pretty much just going to be me going to my appointment. I do have to go pick up some more skincare products, and I feel like I had to pick up something else, but can't remember. I'm sure I'll remember when the time comes, but yeah, no, not doing very much. Oh, I might stop into work because I need to pick up my shoes and all that type of stuff. Well, I'm not going to be there for years, so why have my stuff there if it doesn't need to be there? So yeah, that's the get up. And I'm probably most likely going to be wearing these shoes out because my boots this morning were tight. I swear they're growing bigger. My poor feet. It is 8:45 and my appointment's at 9:40, so I have about an hour, nope, that's a lie, 40 minutes to kill. And I was thinking about putting makeup on to just to like kill time, but there's no way I'm doing that. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I think babe is coming here any day now. Any day. About time. If I'm over my due date, oh my lord. I probably won't be that mad about it because then it's just closer to my birthday, which is on the 22nd. And then my mom's is on the 25th. Greg's mom just had hers on the 4th. So it's a very busy month for February. Just like on Greg's side of the family, March is very busy for them. So yeah, I'm excited that this is going to be a February baby. So yeah, talk to you later. Oh, it is sunny today. Can't find an angle that works. This is gonna be quick anyways because I have 4 minutes to get into my appointment, and if I'm a minute late then they charge me 50 bucks, which is ridiculous. But yeah, I fell getting into my car. I did the splits pretty much. It's icy outside today. If that doesn't get things going, then I have no idea. And the roads are also really slippery too, and it is minus 32 degrees right now. It is cold. It's kind of like a little bit hard to breathe, which is frustrating. I'm already having problems breathing because this baby is pushed up against my lungs. Sorry. I'm very curious to see what they're gonna say today. Very curious. Really sucks that Greg can't be at these appointments. Yeah, what can he do? What can he do? Stupid pandemic. Anyways, I gotta go. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm back. I didn't get swept again today. I had the option. I've dilated. She pretty much checked and she said she could touch the baby's head. Whoa. But I chickened out and I didn't get swept. I think I just really want to try to let my body do this as natural as possible without any help on anything. Like, obviously, for sure, next week for my 40 week, if I make it to that, I will get swept because I do not want to get any bigger. And my belly is measuring on point. Oh my god, it's so close. It's so close. I'm gonna go stop at work to get my shoes and stuff. And then I'm going to go pick up some skincare products because I ran out. I want to try something different, but at the same time I don't want to spend the money on Josie Maran Argan light oil right now, although it does last me for like months on end. So I don't know. We'll see what's there. I'm only going to like Shoppers Drug Mart here in my town. I'm not going into Edmonton, no freaking way. Especially in this weather. I'm gonna go do that and we'll chat more when I get home. Oh, by the way, this mask that I got in my last vlog, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It is so thick though. Like it's a little bit hard to breathe. I can feel myself sweating in it. And when you breathe in, it goes into your mouth. That's one thing I don't like it. It'll probably be my mask to go to the hospital because it's so fancy, fashionable. Probably not because I'm gonna wanna breathe, but I won't be wearing this giving birth if I have to wear a mask in the birthing room. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go do that stuff and I'll see you at home. This is what he does after I kiss him. Every single time. So we're back home now. I just finished having my appointment and it went well. Although there was one little hiccup. Obviously when you go and have your 39-week check, you get checked down below. And so you have to take your pants off and cover yourself with this sheet. It's kind of like paper towel in a way. So my doctor lays me on my back and starts feeling my belly, and then all of a sudden she's like, I'll be right back. I'm really sorry. I really gotta take this phone call. What? I was like, yeah, okay, no problem. Like, just gonna lay here, sprawled eagle. She left, and then I could hear her conversation in the other room. At first, I thought she was like making plans because all I could hear is that she needs to find someone to watch her kids after, and she's off at 6 o'clock. So she was probably in there for maybe 5 minutes while I'm laying on my back, and honestly, it was so good. It was getting so uncomfortable. Having a big belly laying on your back on something that's kind of like a hard surface, no fun, no fun. She comes back and she's profusely apologizing, which I can't really get mad. Like, she felt really bad. And then she tells me that her garage wouldn't close this morning because of how cold it was. So everything in her garage was freezing. She had to run everything out that was liquid-wise into the house. So yeah, that's gotta suck. That's gonna suck, especially like you don't want to have your garage wide open for people to possibly steal some stuff. So I get it. I get it. She started filling up my belly measuring fine. The baby's nice and low, and she checked my cervix and I am a little bit more dilated. She said she could feel the baby's head. Yeah, that was a little bit of a surreal moment for sure. She then asked me if I wanted to get swept, and I was so gung-ho. And it's like this morning I was like, she asked me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna get this labor going and I'm gonna have a baby. I completely chickened out, so I didn't get swept. I think the thought in my head was that obviously my body's starting to do something now. You have 40 weeks to have a baby. Although I'm terrified on how big this baby is going to be, I still got another week. So by the time my 40 week comes around and I make it to that appointment, I'm gonna get swept then. Yeah, that's my final decision. Baby's still cozy in there. I was cramping a little bit after she did check me, so I don't know, maybe that might help. A little bit of things going on, probably not, but you never know. After that, I went to my work to grab my stuff, and apparently I grabbed it when we had our lockdown because they were actually right at the front door, sitting right there. My work shoes. I'm an idiot. But it was really nice seeing a couple of girls, and I got to see my boss. My other boss was on a phone call, so I didn't really get to see her. And then I got to see one of my favorite cooks I like working with, so that was really nice. So the next time I see them, I'll have a baby. And then I went to the Shoppers Drug Mart and was gonna get a couple of things, but decided not to. Do you guys ever do that? Like, you go in there and you're like, okay, I need this and this, and you have it in your hand, and then you end up not getting it? I do that a lot, and I mostly went in there for moisturizer because I'm running out, but I want to start turning my skincare into like more natural product. I found a company, small company out of BC, which I like to support smaller companies, especially during a pandemic, to try out their products. So I think I might just save my money for that. So there's not much that I'm going to be doing today. I'm probably eventually going to have a nap. I'm going to order that stuff online for my skincare. I'm waiting for an Amazon package, which is just like another memory card for my camera because this one seems to run out pretty quick. And I need it for when I go into labor because we're going to be videoing that. Not down there, just over my shoulder, you know. And I found out from my doctor that I'm allowed to do that. As long as everybody in the room is okay with being on my camera, I'm allowed to videotape it. So I'm very excited about that. So I guess I will just talk to you guys later. Hello. How's it going, guys? I just woke up from a nap and I'm probably just going to lay on the couch and watch some TV. Although that's what I was watching when I passed out. I really want to go for a walk, but it is just, it's too cold. It's too cold. It looks gorgeous outside. Like, it looks warm, but it's not. It's not. Trust me. Ah, there's my lip chap. Looking everywhere for this. There's nothing much that's really going to be going on for the rest of the day. So I'm probably just going to end the vlog here. That nap was very much needed. Napping when you're pregnant is probably one of the best things that you could possibly do. Especially after my appointment. I was cramping a little bit and I didn't sleep very well again last night. I don't anymore at all. I think that's just my life. I woke up from my nap and I got to chat with my best friend. It's so nice. I love talking to her. I can like honestly talk to her for hours. I think the longest conversation we've had was like 3 or 4 hours. She lives in BC, so I don't get to see her very often. But I'm kind of hoping that I'm going to be able to see her a couple times this year. I know for sure in September because we're heading out to BC to go see family. So I'll definitely be stopping to see her. She's always one of those girls that I can always count on to be there when I need her. Day, night, in the middle of the night, early morning, I know she's always going to be there for me, so yeah, I love her. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. There's gonna be nothing really exciting happening for the rest of the day. It is almost dinner time. I have to walk my dog again. That will be 10 seconds like it was this morning. He hates the cold because he's a wussy. Probably takes after me, that's why. Then I just have a phone call with my boyfriend a little bit later on in the night, so yeah, nothing exciting. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, you know, if you want to see this face in upcoming videos. Click that button. You know you wanna. Anyways, I'll see you in my next one.